Okay, so not every job is a mold or asbestos job. You may just really want to control for the dust or temperature, for that matter, sound, whatever. So you may have set this chamber up for that purpose, which means this part is not necessary. In that case, the job sheet that we provided you with also integrates here to the outside of just the dust curtain. Cool? Now you have a mold job or asbestos job, and you need to actually put this job sheet out here because there are going to be local ordinances that are going to require it. So there you go. All set. Now I'm just going to go ahead and close this off. I want to go ahead and show you that we designed this very intentionally to be able to allow you full access in the fully open position. But in this position, it's got the J shape, which allows for a natural containment, helping your negative air process. Close it all the way off. The thing I want to point out here is we have incorporated 2 zippers so that they can be locked together, preventing any midnight transgressions from the people that you are protecting, even if they don't want you to because they want to snoop. We did give them a window to look through though, so that's good. All right, we're wrapping it all up here. One of the last things you're going to do is you're going to put your T-flap on. This is going to allow you to control for that negative air while you have an active job site. It's going to do what the T-flap does. If you've been AMRT trained, you know what that is. Okay, T-flap in position. You're just about ready to start your job. We still have to show you how to put the filter in and work with the air interface, how to move air in and out of this containment. That's going to be next. Let's get to it.